For the final trade of the day, let's take it over to Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. What's your trade today, Mike?
Yeah, so with Tuesday's CPI, really good across the board, actually in line. But the big part of what sent us up on Tuesday is the services part of the CPI, which Powell has said that is what he's been looking at most, and whereas kind of the most sticky, the sticky part of the inflation that we're dealing with, that with a little bit of, I guess, lack of freak out about the regional banks. Those are all lifting up early in the week and everything like that. So what I'm looking at is Microsoft. Microsoft has actually been trailing relatively to the other big tech names. But on Tuesday, it broke out of the hourly channel at basically about 258. And so that is, we have some gaps all the way up to 62 and 65. So any pullback in that 260 level, that's a great entry for Microsoft.
I'm glad that you mentioned the banks. You're saying there's a lack of freak out. How does that play into your trade?
Yeah, everybody hears banks and illiquidity and all that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, knock on wood. It was one bank, the New York bank, was actually probably didn't even need to be stepped in on, but I think the feds are really, really on top of trying to make sure that that these banks stay liquid. So obviously the SVB stuff, that's real, but that is localized, at least for now. Like I said, knock on wood. But the market seemed to like it. All the financials did lift early on in the week after getting slammed on Friday and Monday. But I think I think that we're okay there. And if then looking at something like more of your blue chip type of growth stock, Microsoft, a great breakout for that one.
Very good, Mike. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.